Welcome to the next installment of Burger Bites with Todd. In today's video, we'll answer the question, how do you make burgers for a variety of taste preferences?
Now in my family, I have some of my family members that like their burgers cooked more thoroughly than others. I like a pretty rare burger. So what I do is I make burgers of different thicknesses, and I could cook them all at the same time and take them all off at the same time and let them rest for the same time. And those who like a more well-done burger get the thinner ones. Those who like a less well-done burger get the thicker ones.
Thank you for watching today's Burger Bite with Todd. If you have additional questions, feel free to reach out to us through our website at bluenestbeef.com, on our Facebook page, or by simply leaving a comment below. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to hear more Burger Bites with Todd. Also, check out these additional videos to learn more today.